Hey guys, today we are going to show you our cats.
Yep, we only have 2 cats. We don't have very much
Those.
pets. We don't have very much pets. We only have... Ow!
Well, don't get your hair in my face.
Well, we only have 4 pets. 2 dogs and 2 cats.
But we're only going to be showing the cats today.
The kitties. So, let's go.
Okay. Go get Jack.
So, the first one is Jack. We named him Jack just because it was wintertime when we got him. We found him outside and we decided to name him Jack Frost. His real name is Jack, but he likes to be... His name is Jack, but he likes to be called by Jack Frost. So let me get the other one. Okay. Okay. So this...
I just had a crazy idea. What if that's... No, what if that's... It's
okay.
Dad.
Hang on. Okay, so this is Nala. And
What if Jack Frost is its dad?
they are both the same. Like, as you can see, Nala, and then you can see Jack. They're both the same.
They look the same.
Yeah. So, peace. Peace.
Peace. Peace.
Peace.
Peace. Peace. Okay.
Peace.
Tell us which cat you think is cuter.
Yep, we will show you one more look.
Nala's cuter. Nala or Jack Frost?
Did you guys see that?
They're just playing around, attacking each other, hitting each
Well,
other.
also comment down below if you have another idea for our next video.
And if you have any cats at home.
Oh my gosh! It's indestructible.
We're playing a slime.
We're going to show you some of our slimes, so. Okay, here's one of them.
This is the best one.
Here's one of them.
I love this slime. I'm stealing it and taking it home. Okay.
Not okay.
I'll just be in the background playing with this one.
Look at this, guys. It's not that stretchy and all, but it's fine.
Back up, because then they can see it all day long.
So this slime is very crackly, so I'll show you my other one.
Let's show them the bubble thing.
We're gonna show you one other thing. It's a bubble thing, and it's really cool to us.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you think it's cool to you. So.
Okay. I'm gonna fold and crunch. Okay, now listen to this.
So this time I'm going to be folding and crunching.
It's so satisfying, guys. There's a giant
It
bubble.
looks like a piece of candy or something.
There's a giant bubble. It's so cool.
Okay,
Pop.
let's pop that, because it makes it easier.
Bring it up.
Ooh. Did you guys hear that? Ooh, it's nice and stretchy.
Stretchy.
I have another slime right here, and
This
I'll
one's
show
the
you.
best.
And I'll show you this one. Guys, it's stuck to the lid. Don't put it in my hair. Oh. Thought he was putting it in my hair, and I'm like, what? Don't! This is really nice.
It's like bubble gum.
Yeah.
But this one's really sandy and crunchy. This one, not the red one. The red one's nice and filthy. And this one, pop.
This one has has a bit of pops. It's not normal. Doesn't normally have pops, but
This one pops a lot.
Okay. Out of my way.
YouTube us doing Don't Step in It for our next video.
We shouldn't we?
Yeah.
This is, we're going to do a little ASMR.
What's that? What? This one's not very pokey.
Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of ASMR.
Okay, we're done with whatever it's called.
So, we are now going to, we're now just going, you can comment down below if you think you have an idea for our next video. We will not be doing any slime videos, maybe with these slimes, but other than that,
we're not allowed to make slimes.
Yeah, but, you can have ideas if you'd like, but we have an idea for our next one. We're thinking it could be Don't Step in It. It's a game where you try not to step in it.
Always feel free to tell us some ideas that you've seen other YouTubers do.
Yep.
That's not slime related. I know a lot of them slime,
Yeah.
but we're not allowed to do slime, so
Unless they're these slimes. So,
yeah.
so make sure you subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so you're notified anytime we post a video.
Which will be a lot.
So you'll get a lot of stuff. But make sure you comment down below. If you like this slime better, this nice and
Red Bull.
hashtag
Don't say that.
hashtag
Smiley face.
hashtag red
Never wins.
red beauty. And then if you like this one better, hashtag
Pink Crunch,
pink crunch.
which I like the most because it crunches a lot and it's satisfying.
Well,
to
this
play
time
with.
I like the clicks in this one. That one you can't really hear the clicks. Let's see the clicks in that one. Yeah, you can't really hear the clicks. I like to hear the clicks.
I like this one because you can make it crunchy. That's the music we were playing.
Yeah, we can play it right now. Where did you put my play button?
Okay, stop.
It's the song Already Gone. It's a really nice song. So let's do a little bit more ASMR.
Okay, let's quit doing ASMR.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you had a great time, and we
Make
will
sure you-
post.
Make sure you click the subscribe button.
We will post another one like this. We will do our dogs next.
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
But for our next video, we're gonna do a new game that we got for Christmas called Don't Step in It.
So, thank you guys. Bye! Mwah.